Every state, every 5 years, is required to summarize how their state used all of their water for, every single different purpose: thermoelectric, hydroelectric, municipal, industrial.
The purpose of this report was to document data sources and method used by each of the water science centers to estimate crop acreages and water withdrawals.
To have a comprehensive summary of how every state gathered their water use information for the 2000 and 2005 compilations.
So we were asked to write the report so we could document the methods and the sources that everyone used to compile their irrigation data for each state.
My biggest section was probably the state summaries. We called each water use specialist in all the states and got information on how they collected their data in 2000, 2005, and I wrote up a summary for each state on the methods they use, the sources they use, so that people can look at each other, because a big thing they wanted to do was to be able to work within states. And so now somebody in Wisconsin can see how somebody in Michigan did their water use estimate.
I wrote about the indirect irrigation withdrawal estimation method, which is just a way indirectly to estimate how much water was used by crops using available data.
In school you learn these things, but you don't really get a chance to apply them in the professional field, and this project really allowed us to understand that the writing that we did in school that might not have been the funnest thing in the world to do, we now got to do it, and we got to write a huge report that was just so exciting to be a part of.